Hey there, moneymakers! Welcome back to Money Info Dad, where we explore the best ways to earn extra cash. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: how to earn $650 a day. That's right, we're going to dive deep into a specific method that could potentially help you make a significant income. So, buckle up and let's get started. Now, before we jump into the details, let me give you a quick overview of the method we'll be discussing. This strategy involves leveraging the power of online platforms to create multiple streams of income. By diversifying your income sources, you can increase your chances of reaching that $650 a day goal. First up, freelancing. There are numerous platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can offer your skills and services. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or programmer, there's a market for your talents. Start by creating a strong profile and portfolio to showcase your abilities and attract clients. Remember, the more gigs you complete, the more you can earn. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You can create content on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms to promote these products. The key is to choose products that align with your audience's interests and provide genuine value. Another great way to earn money is by creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can share your knowledge and help others learn new skills. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell courses. The more students you attract, the more income you can generate. Lastly, let's not forget about investments. While this method requires some initial capital, it can be a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate, and always do thorough research before making any decisions. Remember, investments carry risks, so be prepared for ups and downs. And there you have it, moneymakers. By combining freelancing, affiliate marketing, online courses, and investments, you can work towards earning $650 a day. It won't happen overnight, but with dedication and persistence, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Until next time, happy earning!